So while I'm waiting for the wood to dry out from putting the waterproofing it, I'm gonna start taking all this apart. All this old stuff. It's gonna go black. Then I gotta strip all this off. This old glue. Get it ready for the next process of putting something on there. Or I'll probably leave it alone, buy some wood, and do the same thing I did with my truck. Make the speaker panel. So we'll see what's up. And then that I'll go ahead I'll go ahead and start putting the material on it. But this door panel is gonna be black, and this will have probably the blue. So let's see how it goes. Taking it all down. As it was out in the rain, it's rotting away. So I have to give it a good sand. I got the primer with the filler. It's coming out good. Still, I'm only gotta do just this bottom piece right here, this section, and I still got the other one to do. My girl's helping me out right now. But yeah, this is how bad this thing is from sitting out in the rain. Yep. Let me get back to work. All right, look. So I'm gonna use this as a template right here. I'm gonna make more. I was gonna sell a set of them for $60, and I'm only selling the set for $60. But they're not gonna be treated like how I treated mines with the flex. That shit's expensive. 60. Give me 150, and I'll do this for you. Like I'll put the rivets, do this, line it up for you, and you know, but you will still have to treat your wood and send it to get upholstered, to the upholstery shop, because I still got all my wood right here. All right, both of them are done. No more paint on them. So I guess this was a filler, or it was the plastic. I don't know. But as you guys can see, it's kind of lumpy. So I'm using, let me see, I'm using 220 grit to sand this down smooth as much as I can. So that way, the primer with the filler can take care of the rest. I'm not looking for perfect, but I'm not also looking for all these nasty lumps everywhere. So let me get to it. Smooth these out as much as I can. Got this one over here ready to sand as well. It's probably gonna take me about 2 to 3 days just to get everything done nicely, depending on how much time I work on them. As you guys can see, it's a lot. It's a lot. Table. It's a lot of work, but it's gonna get done. All right, just cut out the foam that I'm gonna use from this. Put it up to there. I still gotta clean this out. And here's the material. I'm about to go get the one for this and cut it out. Traced out the first pattern. Let's see how it looks when I cut it out. Alright, here we go. Let us put this one on. We got them all cut out. See how it goes. Alright guys, so here we go. Alright, put the foam on. Next step is the material. But I think I'll do that. Yeah, let's put it on right now. Gotta figure out. Hope is right. Oh. Well, hold it with the flashlight. Okay.
You made it wet.
It's alright. Takes 30 minutes to dry. So.
That's still too long, mister.
That's right there. There, there. It's right there, it's right there. Perfect. Flip it over now. That way. Pressure.
The burgers are done.
I voy. I'm almost done over here.
I'm pretty sure people are gonna be like, "Oh, burgers? Your girlfriend made burgers? I want some burgers."
Glue. There you go. It worked.
I think it worked better because of the fabric, like the foam piece.
Mm-hmm. I bet you were recording the floor, huh? Stop it. My very own first door panel. Done. It's not bad. So it'd be something like this on the door. Let's see if I can put it up. Nope, it's not gonna hold. Bam, that's not bad. Yeah. I'm loving it. I had to make a hole right there, there, right here, and right now I'm painting that so that way I can put it already right here. Bam. And I'll be done for the night. I'll do the other one tomorrow. But there you go. One door panel done. Came inside, gave it a good little shine. Cleans up real good. Had a lot of trash out there. Can't wait to put it on the Regal. These are next. I'm still gotta sand all this stuff down right there. Scuff them down real good. And then flat black. And then thinking of putting maybe like a blue stripe right here. I have something like this. Let's see. Something like this. I'm not too sure though. Something along the line like this. But I don't know. It's too much. We'll see. But yeah, black and blue's coming through. All right. Looks good. So right now I'm gonna start making the template for the other ones. See how it goes. Second door panel is done. Waiting for the little part that goes here for the man, I'm sorry, man. I'm getting a brain fart right now, but yeah, but I see that little small detail, but the window roller handle is gonna go right there, so it's gonna cover up like about that much, so that don't matter. It's not gonna move. Oh, the lock stub. So yeah, see? I forgot to protect it, the paint, so I gotta do this one right now too. I gotta move that way so it could look like that. But I'm done. Next step, taking off the chrome and painting it black. Will be good. That's what they look like. See if I could get it even better. Come on, focus. It's getting everything except for what I want. See, look. It's not even focusing on it. Yeah. But yeah, you guys get the picture. No more chrome. They are done. Put the weather stripping on it, or the whatever it is for the window. That rivet. It's update. Look at that. Man, it's gonna look hard. Look at that. Before my door panels. Yes. Was before. They are done. Put the weather stripping on it, or the whatever it is for the window. That rivet. It's update. Look at that. Man, it's gonna look hard. Look at that.